Welcome to our YouTube video. What if you could automate your entire sales and marketing process from lead generation to deal closing? You can do just that with HighLevel. In this tutorial for beginners, I'll teach you how to get started with HighLevel and start automating your business right now. HighLevel is a straightforward, all-in-one platform designed to help organizations manage their operations, agencies, and subsidiaries in one place. HighLevel enables you to automate your entire business processes such as lead generation, audience tracking, customer communication, reputation management, report generation, appointment scheduling, and project management. HighLevel is an excellent tool for entrepreneurs of all levels, and it is utilized by some of the industry's greatest names, like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. One of the amazing features of HighLevel is the ability to construct your own white-label SaaS firm. You can personalize the program and market your subscription to other small businesses, your agency, clients, or others, with our higher plans to create recurring income. We also have an excellent affiliate program in which you can earn 40% commissions by referring others to HighLevel. If you refer 2 people, it will pay for your subscription and then you will earn extra money simply by reselling the software. Aside from the benefits, HighLevel has several capabilities to help you streamline and scale your business processes. Let's learn some of the things you could do with HighLevel. You can switch between all the accounts you've added in the top left corner. You can have a distinct account for each social media client you deal with. Alternatively, you might grant specific access to specific clients, swap between them, and keep an eye on how the various firms are performing and assist them in growing even more. You can integrate messaging apps with HighLevel's customer relationship management function, make payments by connecting your Stripe account, and enable Google to keep track of your reviews and interactions. Then there's your dashboard. The CRM feature will be available here, and you'll be able to view how your funnel is performing, all of the transactions in your pipeline, their values, and your conversion rate. The conversation section is the next menu option after your dashboard. You'll be able to handle all of your leads within this platform if you combine your Messenger and SMS functions, which is fantastic because one of the difficulties that most businesses have is managing their clients across many channels such as Messenger, Instagram, emails, and so on. To fix this problem, simply integrate those platforms with HighLevel, and all of your discussions, including SMS text, will display on HighLevel. You may also follow up with your leads through this platform. You will not miss a single message, and your response times will be substantially faster. If you sell HighLevel as software to clients or collaborate with other small local businesses, all of their leads will be displayed here. Calendars are also available in the conversation section. You can manually add meetings. To do so, click Book an Appointment, then look up and add the contact you wish to meet with. This can also be integrated with Google Calendar and other digital calendars. As an agency, you may also assist a local business in managing all their bookings and appointments within the system here. The Calendly can be found in the dialog section. You can use this page to replace your Calendly, schedule equity, and make scheduling links. Meetings can also be added manually or by using available templates. You also have the CRM tool, which holds all of your contacts. A CRM is a software that manages customer relationships. It can be used to keep track of all your leads. When you acquire a new lead, you can manually add it to the pipeline by clicking the New Opportunity button and filling out the data. That way, you won't forget to follow up with potential customers. If necessary, you can transfer your leads into the Hot Leads area while working with them, and if you're successful in booking or requesting a meeting with them, you may add them to the Booking Requested section. When you successfully close the sale, you can go to the section on Services Sold. The pipeline displays the total value of deals as well as the conversion rate in the dashboard once the Services Sold section is updated. The cool part is that there are templates for everything. Whether it's designing conversion templates, workflows, funnels, websites, or the complete CRM, you don't have to start from scratch to save a significant amount of time. You can invoice your clients under the payment area. You can keep their credit card on file. You only need to connect it to Stripe or one of the other payment providers. When you set up payment, you may invoice and set up auto billing for your clients. HighLevel can also be used to integrate project management tools. For example, suppose you run a creative agency and use Trello to handle your clients. You may integrate Trello into HighLevel. You can schedule posts in the marketing section from here. External schedulers are not required. Email campaigns can be launched from the marketing area. If you like, you can use templates or develop your own text template. This area also includes an affiliate manager option, which allows you to manage all of your affiliate programs. There is a workflows option in the automation area. The workflow allows you to construct advanced automations for your organization, such as automating marketing operations. You may automate email marketing campaigns or design landing pages manually by selecting from a menu of options. Following that, you may build websites, landing pages, surveys, forms, and sales funnels. If you already have a funnel in ClickFunnels, you can transfer it to HighLevel, which is cool. Again, you have the option of using one of the existing templates or starting from scratch. You can also add a membership portal function to your website, similar to how most pay-to-use platforms do. You can build this membership option into your business website or for your clients. Your clients can use this area to train their users, just like they have it on platforms like Teachable. Your reviews can be seen under reputation management. You can automate the reviewing process. The higher your reviews, the more credibility and trust your company will receive, and the more new clients you'll be able to attract. Finally, there is reporting. This area displays all of your purchased ads as well as their performance. You may link Google ads, Facebook ads, and any other ads you're running in one location. HighLevel is an extremely powerful tool that is suitable for any budget. For $97 per month, you receive a starter subscription with your own account and access to website development, sales funnels, email automation, SMS marketing, scheduling, invoicing, and basically everything else you need. This plan is ideal for individuals who want to manage their business operations within HighLevel. Or you can go for everything in the Starter Plan Plus Unlimited Client and sub-accounts for $297 per month. For this plan, you can add as many additional customers as you want. If you wish to resell the systems, you can use the gray labeling tool and personalize your own brand. With the resale option included with this package, you have the opportunity to make an enormous profit. Also, you have the possibility of expanding your client's business in a more complex manner than a standard agency service. Then there's the $497 per month Agency Pro plan. When a client signs up for this plan, the account creation process is fully automated for them. You do not have to manually add new clients. You essentially own your own software platform, which you can continue to sell even if you don't do anything because everything is automated for you. Which of these plans is the best fit for you? If you're a creative agency, you'll need features like landing page generation, funnel function, automated scheduling, CRM function, project management tool, outbound prospecting and tracking, and invoicing. The starter plan will do for this. However, if you intend to resell HighLevel and take advantage of the chances that allow you to structure prices, you should choose the higher tier plan. You can always try it for free during the trial period to determine what works best for you. Imagine waking up every morning to new leads in your CRM, deals completing in your sales pipeline, and customers thanking you for providing exceptional service. Consider how your company would appear if you could automate your whole sales and marketing process. You will have more time to devote to things that are just as important, such as increasing your staff and developing new products and services. You can make that a reality with HighLevel. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, sign up for a HighLevel free trial today. Also, if you learned anything from this video, please like it and subscribe to Money Mindset Mission for more videos on how to better your business and make more money. Thank you for watching, and good luck.